Have you ever dreamed of writing a book only to be overwhelmed by the idea of self-publishing? You're not alone, because so many authors get stuck in the planning stage, not knowing where to start or even if they can pull this thing off. Because a significant portion of published authors on Amazon, including those who self-publish, they sell less than 100 copies. Less than 100 copies. And the average self-published author sells around 250 copies. That's not much, right? But some authors are successful, but many authors are struggling just to break even. But in this video, I'm going to explore with you how to self-publish successfully by providing you insight on how to increase your chances of success from editing, formatting, marketing, distribution. It's going to blow your mind, because if you're a fictional writer or if you're a non-fictional writer, this video is going to give you the confidence to take control of your publishing journey. So the question I'm going to ask you, can you publish a book successfully? And my answer to you is, yes, you can. So let's get into it. Self-publishing has become the buzzword in the writing community, and for good reason. Everybody wants to publish a book and be self-published. But the problem is, since AI came into the scene, everybody's going to use AI to publish their own book, but not realizing AI is going to get the credit for writing your book. Because once you publish that book, is it really you who wrote the book and published it, or is AI going to get the credit? That's just one thing that's going on in this world today. AI is going to get the credit for publishing a book that you said you've written. It's two different feelings. That's what the problem is, that a lot of people are not being successful in their books. Yeah, it might sell, but are you going to get the same response than if you wrote the book and published it? That's one challenge that we're going through today. AI is taking over. The second thing, and the biggest misconception that's going on, self-publishing is a guaranteed payday, a guarantee to get on the bestsellers list. It's not guaranteed. Because many people think all they got to do is slap together some paragraphs, put it in a book or put it on an ebook, and they're going to be a bestseller. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. And you just put it on Amazon, there's millions and millions of people on Amazon with their books that nobody know anything about. Why? There was a writer instead of an author. A writer instead of an author. There's two different aspects of that. Somebody who just write a book, they're just writing a book and hopefully they think it's going to sell. They're going to be a bestseller because they wrote the book. No. The difference between an author and a writer's just writing a book. An author knows how to write the book. The author knows how to sell the book, how to promote the book, how to distribute the book, how to formulate the book, how to format the book. The author has the mindset of, I'm going to make this book sell because I'm self-publishing it. I'm doing it myself. And that's the challenge. That's the challenge, because published authors have to face the fact that you're not going through a third party. You're not going through those, what do they call those people? Those traditional publishers that's going to take your book and hold your book hostage. No, if you're self-publishing, you self-publishing on your own. You taking control. You have control of that book. You have control of those things that you put in the book. Nobody can tell you what to put in there. Nobody can tell you how to format it. Nobody can tell you exactly what to do because you're doing it yourself. And since you're doing it yourself, that's the challenge that everybody's going through. They're not knowing how to do it. They don't believe that they can do it. You might not believe you can do it, but I'm here to tell you, you can do it. You can be self-published and be successful while being self-published because you got a vision, you got a goal. But what's missing is this key that I'm about to reveal to you. The missing key for you to be a successful published author is believing in yourself. Believing in yourself. If you're listening to this video so far, that means you want to get information on how to self-publish successfully. And since you still listen, I'm going to give it to you. The first key and the only key that will help you be successful by self-publishing your own book, you got to believe in yourself. You got to believe in yourself. That's the key. I don't got to say nothing else. Believe in yourself. If you believe that you can do it, you can do it. I'm going to go a little bit deeper. If you know you got a story, you know you got a message, you've been telling everybody in the whole world your message. You've been telling everybody in the whole world your story. But when you're thinking about putting it on pages, you're like, oh man, I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I'm going to be successful. You can do it. Why? Because you have a message that the world is waiting for. And like I tell my clients, you have people that's assigned to you. Since you got people that's assigned to you, they're waiting for you to put that message in a book. They're waiting for you just to put it out there. But you're scared. You don't got to be scared. What they say, I ain't scared. You don't got to be scared. You know you got a message. You know you got people assigned to you. You just don't know how to put it in a format, which is a book, and self-publish it yourself. Because you got more faith on somebody else or somebody else publishing the book for you than you do for yourself because you don't know. Just because you don't have to understand it don't mean you don't know it. Just because you don't have to understand it don't mean you can't do it. Yes, you can do it. You can self-publish your own book because you know you got a story, you know you got a message, you know you got people waiting for you. You can do this. And I'm here to help you do this. That's what I do. I help people publish their own book. I help people become self-published by giving them strategies, techniques, like I told you earlier, strategies and techniques, because the bridge between knowledge and wisdom is understanding. And if I give you the understanding from the wisdom that I have, published over 13 books, me and my wife, sold thousands and thousands of copies. If I give you the wisdom and the knowledge without the understanding, you can't do it. But I'm here to give you the understanding on how to be self-published and successful. Because there's people out here going to tell you how to be self-published, but they ain't telling you how to be successful. I'm going to tell you how to be successful. Because one thing you can't get back is time. And you wasted your time on everybody else, but you're not going to waste your time with me. I'm going to give you what you need to be a self-published, successful author. Because I ain't wasting your time. You got to go back to somebody else. So what you need to do, like I said, believe in yourself. Once you believe in yourself, that knocks everything, every doubt, knocks out the confusion, knocks everything out. So you can be a successful, published author. Because to be successful, you got to believe in yourself. That's the key. Once you believe in yourself, you can do everything you desire in that message that you have. Because you know you got a message. You know you got people that's assigned to you that will hear that message. And you believe you can do it. Once you get all of that in your system, in your mindset, start writing that book. This is not the last time I'm going to be here giving you these steps, giving you these keys, giving you these success principles on how to become a successful published author. This is just one of many videos. This is only one of many videos. What I want you to do, there's going to be some more videos up here, maybe up here, is going to help you get that mindset that yes, I can become a self-published author. Yes, I can write this book. Yes, I can become an author instead of a writer. Because the difference is, a writer is just writing a book, hoping, praying that somebody reads it. But an author knows that he has people assigned to him, knows that the message that he has is not just for him, is to give it away in the form of a book, and the author knows how not only to publish, how to make revenue from that book. So what I want you to do, if you had any experience in self-publishing, I'd like to hear about it. In the comment section, type in your experience. I want to help you because that's why I'm here.